Hello everyone, welcome to GigaBits. In this video, we're comparing Ollama and LM Studio, two of the most popular local AI tools you can use in 2025. Which one should you choose? Let's find out. Let's start with Ollama. As you can see on screen, this tool allows you to run large language models locally using a command line interface or a local API that's fully compatible with OpenAI's API. That means you can integrate ChatGPT-style intelligence directly into your own scripts, apps, or automations. Ollama's main focus is developers and technical users who need control and flexibility. It supports multiple systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and gives you access to different AI models such as GPT, DeepSeek, and Minimax. It's powerful, fast, and ideal if you want full control over how AI runs on your machine. Now let's talk about LM Studio. This tool offers the same goal, running AI locally, but with a more user-friendly interface. It's a desktop application with a simple graphical UI, which makes it perfect for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to deal with command lines. LM Studio lets you download and manage models easily, has a local chat interface, and in some cases supports drag and drop features and GPU acceleration. That means you can run ChatGPT-like conversations directly on your computer without an internet connection. Summary: if you have a powerful PC with a strong GPU and you want to integrate local AI into your projects, scripts, or automations, Ollama is a fantastic option. But if you prefer something simple, visual, and quick to set up, or your system has lower hardware specs, LM Studio is the easier and more comfortable choice. Both are great ways to bring ChatGPT-level AI directly into your computer, depending on how hands-on or automated you want your setup to be.